In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your LinkedIn ID with your Facebook profile. This step will help you seamlessly connect your professional presence on LinkedIn with your social circle on Facebook, ultimately making it easier for your friends and colleagues to stay updated with your career progress. To get started, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to linkedin.com. This is where we'll kick off the process of linking these two platforms together. Once you're on LinkedIn's homepage, you'll see the option to sign in. You have several choices here. You can log in using your Google or Microsoft account or simply enter your email address and password. It really depends on what you prefer to use. If you have two-factor authentication set up on your LinkedIn account, you'll likely be prompted to verify your identity. This typically involves entering a code sent to your phone. It might seem like an extra step, but this added layer of security ensures that your account stays protected. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You should see your avatar picture there. Click on it, and this will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option that says View Profile. This action will take you to your LinkedIn profile page where all your professional information is displayed. Pay close attention here because the next step involves locating your LinkedIn URL. This URL is crucial as it's what you'll use to link your profiles together. You can find it right in the address bar of your web browser. It typically starts with https://linkedin.com followed by your unique username. Once you've spotted your URL, you'll want to copy it. You can do this by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C if you're on a Windows computer or Command+C if you're on a Mac. With your LinkedIn URL safely copied, it's time to head over to Instagram. Although this video focuses on linking to Facebook, we're now going to use Instagram as a bridge. Open Instagram and navigate to your profile page. Once there, look for the Edit Profile option. This is usually situated near the top of your screen. Click on it, and you'll find a section labeled Website. Here's where you'll paste your LinkedIn URL. To paste, use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. After pasting the URL, ensure you save the changes to your Instagram profile. Voila! You've now successfully linked your LinkedIn profile with your Facebook account through Instagram. In just a few simple steps, we've boosted the connectivity between your social media profiles. This not only makes it easier for your network to find your professional information but also enhances your digital presence across platforms. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to like and share this video if you found it helpful.